Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing second lesson and that is 4 operations. Among them we are discussing here division and your my practice time 4. In previous videos also you learnt the division and the properties of division, and in previous videos you learned divide the following and verify your answer as a divisor one digit. In today's also we are going to solve some of the examples from your my practice time 4. First one, divide the following and verify your answer, but here divisor is as a 2 digit. So let us start here. First one example, and that is H1 63,781 and divided by 64. See here, not here, now we are not only dividing, we are verifying our answer also. For that you have a one formula, and that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here I took one example, but here divisor as a 2 is there. You know 2 ones are table, 2 to 10, last 2 to 20. But if you don't know 64 ones are table. So how to solve this example? See here, by multiplying 64 into 2, 64 into 3, 64 into 5. See here, by multiplying with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will get here the tables of 64. Okay, this also you have to know, then only you are going to solve this example. So solve this, right here 63,781 and here I will take 64. See here, 6 is less than 64, 3 is also means 63 is also less than 64. So it is, you need to take here directly what 3 digits. Okay, then take here 64 nines are how much will come? Yes, 9 fours are 36 and 9 six are 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. So I will take here 64 nines are 500. 64 nines are 576. Okay, then subtract here. 7 minus 6 is 1. Again take here, this become 13. 13 minus 7 is 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, next 6 minus 6 is 0, means 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Next here I got 61 as a quotient. Again you take this 8 down. Okay, again I will take nines because 64 nines are 576. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 2 and 11 minus 7 is, yes, that is 3. So 11 minus 7 is 4 and here 6 minus 6 is 0. Again you need to take here 1 down. So see here, 64 nines are 576. I got here 61 as a what? Remainder. Again I took this down. Again 64 nines are 576. Again I got here 42 as a remainder and I took this down. Then see here, 64 5s are how much will come? 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. So I got here very small number than this 421. So I will take here 64 7s are 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 2 is 48. See here, 488 is bigger. 5 ones also 320 I got. Then you see 64 6s are 64 6s are 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 36, 36 plus 2 is 38. So here you write 64 6s are 384. Okay, then take here carry, this become 11, 11 minus 4 is 7. Again you take carry, this become 12, 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Again 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So here I got 37 as a remainder. Yes, here you need to stop it. But again one step is there here, that is verification. Verification. Okay. So here you write dividend is equal to dividend is equal to what is there, see, divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Then tell me here divisor how much is there? 64. Quotient is 996 plus remainder is 37. So this type you have to write. Next 996. See here, if you don't know direct multiplication like this, so for that you need to do here rough work. 996 into 64. Yes, multiply here. 4 6 are 24. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2 is 38. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. Again you leave here place. 6 6 are 36. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3 is 57. Next 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 5 is 59. So 4, 8 plus 6 is 14, 17, 13, and this 5 plus 1 is 6. So here you need to write 6, 3, 7, 4, 4. Okay. This is all rough work you do as a rough calculation. Okay. Next, here what is there? 37. So both number you add here, 6, 3, 7, 4, 4 plus 37. So 4 plus 7 is 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 3, 6. So here you write 63,781. See here I got correct answer, hence my division is correct. 63,781. Here also I got 63,781 as a answer. So hence our division is correct. Okay, here you write our division is correct. So this is when we have a two divisor, two digit as a divisor. So let us take one more example, and here we have 3 numbers divisor. Okay. So for this you need more and more practice. So here 3,246 divided by 120. So take here 3,246 and here 120. If you know 12 ones a table, then you know the 120 ones a table also. So first you write here 120 ones a table, 12, 24, 36. Again you put here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Here you got 120 ones a table. Okay. See here what is there here? 3 is small, 2 is also means 32 is also smaller than 120. Then you take 3 digits here, 324. So less than here, less than 324, which number is there? 240. So 2s are 240. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Again here 2 minus 8 not possible, take carry. 12 minus 4 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. Again you take this 6 down. Then here how much I got? 846. So less than 846 here, 840 is there, 840. So how much are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7s are 840. 6 minus 0 is 6, 4 minus 4 is 0, 8 minus 8 is 0. So here up to here you stop it. Here I got remainder as a what? 6. Then you do here verification, division into quotient, divisor into quotient. Divisor is 120 and quotient is 27 and remainder is 6. So multiply this 120 into 27. 7 into 0, 0, 7 2 za 14, 7 1 za 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Again you leave here place 2 into 0, 0, 2 2 za 4, 2 1 za 2. 0, 4, 8 plus 4 is 12 and 3. So here you write 3240 plus 6. So what to write here? 3246. So here divisor has 3 numbers. Okay. So here few more examples are there in your textbook. My practice time 4. Try to solve that examples. Okay. So here I will take one more example. Here divisor as 4 numbers. So that is 1265 divided by 1100. And again you need to do here verification also. So take here 1265 and 1100. If you know 11 ones a table, then you can write 1100 ones a table also. Write here 11 ones a table and put here 000. You will get what 1100s a table. 1100s a table. 1100s a 1100, 11, 22, 33 and put there 00. You will get the tables. Okay. So here 1100s a is there and here 1265 is there. Means 1265 is there. So you directly take 1 za 1100. Okay. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 0 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So here this is less than this divisor. So directly here you up to here stop it. So what is there here? Dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor is 1100 and quotient is 1 and remainder is 165. So directly you take 1100 ones are 1100 plus 165. After adding I will get 1265 as an answer. Here I got dividend is equal to same answer, hence my division is correct. Okay. So for this you need more and more practice. Solve all the examples and send it to my personal number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.